Okay, it's Tom Kelly. I'm in the subway station. Wait. It's Tom Kelly. I'm in the subway station in Times Square. I just performed at Good Morning America, and this is Ashbrook High School from North Carolina. They're performing in Carnegie Hall on Sunday, and they sang in front of Robin Roberts and Michael Strahan. They were beautiful. They made me cry, and now I'm gonna live my dream of pretending to conduct a choir in a subway station. Are you ready? Here we go, guys. Ready? We need money to get new bow ties. Anybody? $1 apiece. $1 apiece. Ma'am, you got a buck? You haven't got. I'm just. You got a buck?